In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best air blowers available on the market. We researched the web and read lots of real user reviews before creating the air blowers list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the air blowers mentioned, be sure to check the description link. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5. Mini Turbo Fan 130,000 revolutions per minute. The Mini Turbo Fan 130,000 revolutions per minute electric air duster offers exceptional cleaning power for home and office use. Its dual-purpose blowing and suction design removes dust from keyboards, electronics, and hard-to-reach spaces. Rechargeable and portable, it delivers high-speed airflow ideal for precision cleaning. Perfect for those who want a compact yet powerful tool for quick and efficient dust removal. Durable and built for everyday use. Number 4. Dewalt 20V Cordless Air Blower. The cordless leaf blower for Dewalt 20V battery is a 2-in-1 tool that functions as both an air blower and a vacuum cleaner. Its ergonomic handle and cordless design make it easy to use anywhere. Ideal for home, workshop, and garden cleaning, this powerful unit delivers high air volume to clear dust, debris, and leaves effortlessly. Compact, durable, and versatile for all-around use. A must-have for convenient cleaning tasks. Number 3. 19,000 revolutions per minute cordless leaf blower. The 19,000 revolutions per minute cordless leaf blower is designed for Makita 18V batteries, offering powerful dust removal for computers, cars, and home cleaning. It doubles as a dust collector and snow blower, making it useful year-round. Lightweight yet efficient, this blower is a must-have for DIY users and professionals who need reliable performance without cords. Battery not included. Built to handle everyday cleaning jobs. Number 2. ONEVAN 2000W Brushless Jet Blower. The ONEVAN 2000W Brushless Turbo Fan Blower delivers an incredible 200 mph air speed for heavy-duty cleaning tasks. Compatible with Makita batteries, it's ideal for blowing dust, snow, and leaves efficiently. Its handheld, ergonomic design offers comfortable use while maintaining top-tier performance. A great choice for professionals seeking power and durability in a compact tool. Excellent for workshop or outdoor cleaning. Number 1. X3 Ultra Turbo Jet Fan Blower. The X3 Ultra Turbo Jet Fan features a 180,000 revolutions per minute motor, making it one of the most powerful mini air dusters available. Perfect for drying cars, cleaning PCs, and general home maintenance, this handheld blower replaces traditional compressed air cans. Lightweight and rechargeable, the X3 Ultra ensures maximum power in a portable design, ideal for tech enthusiasts and car detailers alike. Built to deliver strong airflow and long-lasting use.